Namaste, I'm Archana. Welcome to day 10 of Make Yoga a Daily Habit. Today we are 1/3 of the way into this 30-day journey of mindful movement. Today's asanas are going to help rejuvenate and relax our bodies and minds. So we'll begin today's session by sitting in a comfortable seated position, closing our eyes, noticing the air move in and out of our body. From here, we're going to place our feet on the mat, bend our knees, and now simply rest our forehead either on our knees or just bring our hands to our ankles, feet, folding over your bent knees. Bringing your attention to our breath. As we breathe in, noticing our belly move forward. As we breathe out, relaxing the whole body. I'm going to stay here for another breath in and breath out. Now slowly straighten your right leg and your left. If you want to continue keeping your eyes closed, let your legs flop to the sides. Bring both our arms next to our thighs. You don't have to go and stretch all the way. Stay here, resting our palms just next to our knees, palms facing towards the ceiling, so that you're not going to, place it towards the mat and press into the mat. You're going to stay here for 5 breaths. Chin in the direction of the chest. Your shoulders are rounded. You can breathe in and out. You can be short or long based on how you feel. When you come out of this pose, come out slowly, roll yourself up, place your hands on the mat, come down to lying. I'm going to bend my right knee. My feet comes to rest next to my knees, my right feet next to my left knee. You don't have to take it all the way. We're not going to stretch. You just come to a place where it's comfortable. For some of us, it may be here, and that's totally fine. Just dropping your knee out. In case your knees are high up, you can always place a towel or a cushion beneath your knees. Now raise both your hands up onto the floor behind you. If you want to, you can bend at your elbows, relaxing your shoulders, or you can keep it straight. Just see what feels comfortable. And stay here for 3 breaths. Now slowly straighten the right leg, bend your left leg. Hands continue to stay here, or if you want to, you can spread it out wide. You're pointing it towards the corners of the room. Noticing how you feel in your body. As you breathe in, your belly moves towards the ceiling, and as you breathe out, collapsing your body into the mat. From here, straighten your leg. Bend your left knee, turn over to the right side. Come to lie down on your belly. Place the front of your foot on the mat. Elbows come beneath your shoulders. Stay here. As you breathe out, completely collapse your neck into the space between your shoulders. As you breathe in, nice length. Ears move away from your shoulders. And as you breathe out, like your neck completely disappears. You want to stay here for a breath or two. Again, breathing in, press into the elbows. They should feel very relaxing. Breathing in and breathe out. I'm going to press my palms into the mat, straighten my elbows. Notice a nice stretch in the front of my abdomen, chest. Move your palms slightly wider if you want to. Press the top of your feet into the mat. Stay here. Knees off the mat. Breathe in. Breathe out. From here, walk your palms back. Open your knees wide. Big toes to touch. You're going to rest in Shashankasana. Knees are wide. Walk your hands away. Opening your palms out. Drop your cheek onto the mat and rest. You can turn your cheek to one side. Take a couple of breaths in and then slowly to the other side. From here, come up. Now take both your hands and take it all the way to touch your toes. Your fingers are either reaching up to your ankles, your toes. Placing your hands, your whole arms, space between your legs. Breathe in. This feels completely relaxing. And breathe out. From here, slowly come to sitting. We'll practice alternate nostril breathing or Nadishuddi Pranayama. Sit in any comfortable seated position. Just remember that your back is straight. If you need to, you can always take the support of the wall or place a couple of cushions behind your back. Your thumb stays open. Your index and middle finger is closed. Your left hand is in Chin Mudra, thumb and index touch. Or you can simply rest it on your knee with your palm facing up. Close your right nostril with your thumb. Now first, you're going to breathe out completely through your left. Just for a couple of breaths. Now breathe in. We'll count up to 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now close your left nostril. Open your right. And now breathe out completely through your right. Just remember to keep your face relaxed. 4. We're just going to breathe out for 4, breathe in for 4. Now breathe in for 4. And breathe out. 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go again. Breath in. 1, 2, 3, 4. Breathe out. 4, 3, 2, 1. Now you can count in your mind. Breathe in. And breathe out. Let's go again. Breath in. 1, 2, 3, 4. Close your left. Breathe out to your right. 4, 3, 2, 1. Breath in. 2, 3, and 4. And now breathe out completely through your left. Continue keeping your eyes closed. Drop both your hands. We'll take one deep breath in, and as we breathe out, we'll chant one round of Om. Notice the vibrations of Om wash all through your body. Thank you so much for joining me in today's session. I would love to hear from you in the comments below. I'll see you tomorrow for day 11 of Make Yoga a Daily Habit. Namaste.